In this problem, we're trying to figure out what is the maximum profit for a company. So this problem says the Sweaters R Us company has a profit function given by P of Q equals negative 0.1 Q squared plus 6Q minus 29. It tells us that Q is the number of thousands of sweaters sold and produced, and P of Q is the total profit in thousands of dollars from selling and producing Q sweaters. The first question says, how many sweaters in thousands should be sold to maximize profits? And then it tells you, of course, if you need to round to 3 decimal places. So the key word with this is the word maximize. Okay, so we want to maximize our profit. So we're trying to find the maximum. Now, if we look at our profit function, this is actually a quadratic function. And because we have a negative as the leading coefficient, this is going to emulate or look like an upside down parabola. Okay, so something like this. I mean, this is just a general sketch. So because this is upside down and it's facing down, what I'm looking for is this maximum point. And this maximum point is really the vertex of this parabola. So what we're going to use here is the vertex formula. And we know that the vertex formula is giving us an x. So normally we would say x equals minus b over 2a. Now in this problem, I don't have x's. I have p's and q's. So what is representing x in this problem? So if we look at the problem itself, we have a function that is p of q. Q is representing the number of thousands of sweaters sold. P of Q is representing the profit. Okay, so the Q here is essentially your X value. Knowing that, we can continue, and we want to go ahead and identify the A and the B in this problem. Our A in this problem is negative 0.01. Our B in this problem is the 6. So let's plug that in to figure out Q, how many sweaters we need to produce. Okay, so we've got minus 6 divided by 2 times negative 0.01. Okay, be careful with your negative signs. When you plug this in, you end up getting 300. So we have 300, and again, 300,000 sweaters that need to be sold. Now, once we have that Q value, we can take that result and plug it into the function that was given to us to find the P value or the profit, the maximum profit, okay? And so that's what we'll do next. We're going to take this answer and plug it into our equation. Our function here. So we've got P of 300 equals negative 0.01 Q squared. So we have 300 was our Q squared plus 6 times Q, which is 300, minus 29. Okay, and again, this is coming from the function in the problem. If we put this in our calculator and simplify, we end up getting 871. And again, this is $871,000. So we're going to put a little dollar sign on there. Okay? And that's it. So I think the most important thing here is, again, recognizing that this is a maximum. And again, maximum is telling you vertex. And then making sure that you're, putting the right answers in the right places. If you're wanting to know how many items, that's generally your X value. If you want to know your profit, that's generally plugging in to find the Y value. And that's it.